Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the tilt shift blur again. I know the first one did not work for some reason, showing the liquify part. So it's going to go through and kind of show that part. I already did it on here, so I'm just going to kind of go step by step so it'll be quicker for you guys. So opened it here, then went ahead and made my copy, so Command J, Control J. Went into liquify, and this is the part that didn't show up on the last one. So here you can see I pushed in the leaves and I pushed her in. So basically you're pushing in anything that you want to not blur. Again, this is what I do not want to blur. So here you can see this is what it looks like normally, and this is pushed in. So I'm wanting to blur this right side here. Since these trees are in perfect focus here, I do not want to blur those. After the blur, or after the liquify, then that's when you'll go into filter, blur gallery, and hit the tilt shift. So I went in and did it. I put my anchor about right here. So pulled it down, put it right here, and I increased the blur to about 65. Press OK. Then you're going to click off of this, and you are going to select your subject. So remember, I want to keep these trees in focus, so I went ahead and did the lasso and selected all around here. Once you did that, you'll go in and remember hit shift and then do select and select and mask here. And again, I'm on the background layer. I know I'm not really doing it right now, but you have to be on the background layer. Select and mask, so I went in here and refined that just a little bit, make sure to get a better selection, and I cut that little lasso out. Okay, then you're going to come back up here, click on your layer, add a mask here, and then you're going to do Control I to invert it, and then now you can see it's blurred over here. So see the difference here? Now you're still going to have to go in here with your paintbrush, like I need the white paintbrush on this side. Come in here, get that, and then I'm going to need to switch to my black and bring this stuff back. So you do have to kind of go in here afterwards and still kind of be picky with it to make sure it looks real, looks good. So but yeah, you can kind of see the difference there. Boom boom. All right, hopefully this can work.